morning. Student, today I'd like to discuss the first chapter of class 8, metal and non-metal. First, I'd like to telling about a pure substance. A pure substance is made of the same kind of particle are known as pure substance. A well-known example of pure substance, a given sample of elements, a given sample of compound. We know that the given element is made of very small particle. This particle is known as atom, and a small particle of a compound is a molecule. There are 118 elements are available at the present times. So a study of these all elements at the same time is a very difficult task. So that's why we should classify this element on the basis of their physical and chemical property. Actually, in 118 elements, 94 are natural occurring element and 24 elements are synthesis. Element classify into three categories: metal, non-metal and metallites. Metal occurs in nature either in free form or combined state. The highly reactive metals are found in the form of carbonate, sulfate, bicarbonate, chloride below the earth, and highly less reactive metals are found in free state. Metal can be obtained from mineral and ores. What is the difference between mineral and ores? Actually, both mineral and ore are the naturally occurring inorganic substance from which metal or non-metal can be extracted. But from the ores, metal or non-metal can be extracted cheaply and less time. But from the extraction of metal or non-metal from the mineral is a very costly and take more time. This is a basic difference between the obtaining of metal and non-metal from the ores and mineral. And the getting pure metal from the ores is known as metallurgy. It consists of the some steps like the concentration of ore, reduction and refining of metal. In a concentration of ore, in this process we prefer to remove the impurity of the ores, and in the second process, reduction, we are treating the metal ore to getting the metal in free state, and refining of metal through the electrolysis process we are getting the pure metal. Let us study the physical property of metal and non-metal through the differentiation. Through differentiation, we can easily learn the physical property of metal or non-metal. Now, we are talking about state of metal and non-metal. Metal are usually found in solid state, except only mercury is a metal which is found in liquid state, whereas a non-metal is found in solid, liquid and gaseous state. Second, we are talking on the melting point and boiling point. Generally, metal having the high melting point and boiling point, and non-metal having the low melting point and boiling point. Metal having a density high, but non-metal having less density. And metal are very hot, whereas a non-metal are not very hot. But diamond is one of the hardest substance in a non-metals. And metal having a metallic luster, whereas non-metal are having not a metallic luster, but a few are them having like the bromine having the metallic lusters. Now, malleability and ductility, metal having possesses the malleable and ductile, whereas non-metal having not found such a property. Tensile strength, metal having a high tensile strength, but non-metal are not found so. And the thermal and electrical conductivity, metal are good thermal and electrical conductivity, but non-metal are not found in so, but exception is graphite. Graphite is non-metal and which is a good conductor of electricity. Sonorosity, metal having metal are sonorous, but non-metal are not a sonorosity property. Now